Create an account, complete the task at hand, and collect your $25. It's that easy. In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you a site I've never talked about before that not many people know about and that actually is one of my personal favorites. It makes making money online fun instead of boring, as is generally the case. Just before we get to the video itself, however, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss any of my new videos that will follow, click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. With that said, let's get to the actual video. Alright guys, the site in question that will be paying us today is called freeskins.com. This is arguably one of the best websites to make money online for free with ease. And yes, you can get paid in Bitcoin, but in case you don't really like Bitcoin, you can also have Ethereum available, and I will show you all of that later on. Just before I do, however, I want to show you the reviews on Trustpilot, which I do a lot in my videos in order for you to see that we're talking about legit websites that won't try to scam you or anything. And this site, as far as reviews are concerned, is fantastic. It has over 800 reviews, with 83% of people rating it as excellent and only 4% as bad. It's a very, very good website, guys, any way you put it. You can read these reviews if you want to. I won't go over that. Anyway, something that I know many of you watching this will be interested in is how much money you can actually make with this. Most websites of this sort don't really pay a lot, but you will be surprised, trust me. If you scroll down, you will come across this frequently asked questions section, and there you'll see this question regarding how much money you can make. And check this out. It is easily possible to earn more than $100 per month on Freeskins. Some users even reach $1,000 plus each month. You can check out the leaders to see how much the most active Freeskins users earn. So you can actually make thousands of dollars per month for free on this website. That is literally unheard of, and by clicking on the leaders section right here, you will indeed see that there are people who have made hundreds of thousands of coins, which translates into thousands of dollars in a single month. For sites of this nature, that is incredible. So this site definitely can make you some very decent amount of cash if you invest a bit of time into it. That's for sure. Something else that makes this site unique is that you can actually redeem your earnings in games like CSGO and Fortnite. And so if you happen to play one or both of those games, you will want to register using your Stream account. If not, that's okay, you can do so through Google as well. If you don't want to do that either, then simply click on Register in the upper right corner, enter in your username, email, and password, and log into your own account, which I will now do myself, so I can show you all the different ways you can make money on this site. Okay, so this is how the site will look, guys, once you create and log into your brand new account. You just have to click here on Start Earning for it to show all of the different offers you can complete. Now, what I really like about this site, that I think you will love as well, is the fact that it's extremely user-friendly. Most sites of this nature don't really bother with making the user's experience as good as possible. Freeskins, however, does, and it's one of my favorite things about this site. Now, with that said, you can see right here that you have a bunch of ways to actually earn money on here, and I'll be focusing on the best and most profitable ones so you're not wasting your time. One such way is to complete surveys, and these surveys are very easy and simple to complete. You'll just be answering general questions, so you won't need to be like an expert in some field or whatever. The first surveys you can complete are these blue ones here. If you click on them, it will open this up, and you will just have to enter in your age, gender, and email address for you to get started with them. Anyhow, the next type of surveys you can complete are these ones here. And the reason I prefer them over the previous ones is because they are unlimited, as you can see. So you will never run out of them no matter what. You can just keep completing them and earning money. If I click on them, as you can see, it will give me some info. Enter the 80-cent surveys page using the green button. There is no limit to the amount of times you can complete this offer. Just below, you can see the requirements. Click the green button to open the survey page. You will have to enter your mail address and some general information about you, And finally, you will complete surveys you want and get paid. It's really simple, guys. The next option you have to earn money on this site is one called Time Bucks. And if you click on it, you'll see that you'll be making money by completing really simple tasks. And for new users below, you can see that by just creating an account, you will get paid $5. It's not a huge amount of money, but bear in mind that sites like these don't pay a lot. And so $5 for just signing up is pretty awesome, actually, since it takes you like 30 seconds to do it. The next way for you to earn money is by completing surveys once more. These surveys, guys, I recommend the most because they pay the most too. They, of course, take a bit longer to complete, but you do get paid way more money, so in my opinion, they're worth it. I would recommend both going for them and these 80-cent surveys as well to maximize your profit. Yet another way for you to make money is by simply downloading these games. And for some of them, they're quite generous and will pay you upwards of $5 sometimes, so they can be worth your time sometimes, but I personally wouldn't recommend you invest too much time in them. If you scroll down, you can take a look at these offer walls as well. And what's important for me to mention is that by clicking on free skins right here, you will be able to claim free rewards every single day by logging onto this website. And the rewards get bigger and better as time goes on, so they're a very good way to boost your earnings. Something else that I have to point out that really makes this website stand out from the rest, apart from all the other features, is the fact that they have a live chat. This is great because you'll be able to chat with other users about particular offers and see if they are or aren't worth your time. If you happen to have a problem like not being able to withdraw your money or something like that, you can also use the live chat for that purpose. So it's a really awesome and welcome addition to this website that other websites, for the most part, don't have. If you happen to have a problem there, the support isn't really all that great, and for the most part, you won't have anyone to contact. Anyhow, let's move on to the last step on this site, which is actually withdrawing your earnings. You will be able to do that by clicking on Shop right up here, and from there you'll see all of the different ways in which you can redeem what you've made. You have PayPal first and foremost, but check this out. Apart from Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, but also Litecoin too. So if you happen to dislike Bitcoin, you have other options, which is fantastic. Furthermore, you can redeem your rewards through various skins in these games, but also through various gift cards, among them Amazon and Visa. In any case, guys, one thing is certain with this platform. You will be able to earn some very decent money for free, and it's arguably one of the best sites out there. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in some of my other videos.